Namaste, Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome. That's why I like technology. Technology gives you lots of options to make yourself, to show your talent, to show your skill, to show your entire new way of the life. If you see, I have just started using the Instagram in last almost a month late, but now if you see how beautifully I have learned something new all the time, consistently, continuously. So I always says, do not get shy to use the technology. And one thing you must remember, there is a failure always waiting for you. The failure is not the option where you step back. Failure is the option to you take a 2 step forward. I want to explain to you with that story where you may have heard about the story with the crow. You know the crow means kagado. The small crow, it was in a summer day, wanted to drink the water. But what happened? It was very hot day. Unfortunately, there was a very scare of the water. Scares of the water, there was no water. And finally he found the water. But the water was so deep inside, he couldn't reach himself to drink the water. Think what he has done. What he has done, that crow, this kagado, what he has done, he threw some stones inside to bring the water level up. So as soon as water level came up, what he did, automatically he started drinking the water. Now, from this story, what we need to learn, this is what I'm trying to say, is what we need to learn from this story. We need to learn is that in our life, first things first, the crow, throw the stone. Why? Because he wanted to drink the water, means he was thirsty. So thirst of him has found resources to get the water. So anything if we want to do it, then we need to find resources. But we need to create a thirst to get that things in our life. And in the same time, remember the crow, how he has come to know, okay, if I'm going to throw the stone, then water level will come up. He could have thrown anything else, because as we understand, there is no brain, but he has a brain. Subject is, God has given everybody equal brain, everybody equal intellect, everybody equal intelligence. It's all about how we using. But when we going to use it, once we create a thirst within. Thirst is very important. Thirst is something which makes us to find the resources. Like for example, I have started using this Instagram, never used past, but anyway, now as I'm learning today, actually I'm using the best way to how to actually use this technology. You can see the poster. The poster says Youth Day Conclave, 16th of June 2021. That conclave is something which is very important for us. Why? Because in that conclave, there is a 2-3 hours event, live event, with best use of the technology. What we can do is, if you are a good singer of the bhajan, I'm not even saying good singer, as long as you can sing the bhajan. Let me tell you, when it's come to the singing, my personal singing is not as good as a professional singing. But what I did actually, last 1 year, I'm singing consistently, continuously, bhajan. In fact, you can sing the Hanuman Chalisa also. It's not necessary you must sing the bhajan. In fact, you sing the Hanuman Chalisa also with your family together. Sit down and sing the Hanuman Chalisa. If you are a singer, if you know how to play the harmonium, if you know how to play the instrument, any instrument, you can come on live on our platform, and you can show on that day. You can play a best harmonium, best tabla, dholak, whatever it is. If you are a professional, if you are a person who is working into the professional industries, if you are a doctor, if you are a dentist, if you are optimistic, if you are a tax accounting person, anything if you are doing, if you want to share your expertise with your friends and family, in fact, there are many people looking the advices, many people looking the the things which is they don't know. So this is the platform on the Youth Day. I'm here for you to provide. Use this technology, use this opportunity, and come forward. And then to come forward, you first things first you need to remove. First is your shyness. Second is your create the thirst. You have to have a thirst towards, okay, yes, this is event for me. This is my event. This is for I have to learn. This is I am learning. Create the thirst towards it. And I can tell you guaranteed, if the thirst you're going to create, you will definitely join. Not only you will join, but you will encourage your all other friends and family members to also to join this event. Very nice event, very beautiful event. Now, after this, let me tell you the story from the actually Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, it was Arjun who has a thirst to learn how to actually become a powerful archer. And that made him to practice even into the night too. But what happened? I can tell you the story. One night, we all of us know the Bhim. Bhim is one of the brother out of the Panch Pandav who likes to eat. You can give as much as food to him, he will eat it. So that was the Bhim. Now what exactly happened? One night, it was a very dark night, and Bhim was sitting in a one room, and Arjun reached that room. Okay, Bhim, what you doing? Okay, I'm eating. But this is a dark room, how are you eating? Then he said, to eat, I don't need the light, because my hand knows where is the mouth. Definitely. So that was the actually point where the Arjun took it. So Arjun says, I don't need a light to target my target to something. I need to practice. So even in the night, he was practicing how to target his aim. Subject is what I'm trying to say is, if Arjun can do it, if Bhim can eat in the dark, I'm sure you can use the technology and you can join this youth conclave. And also you can be a inspirations for so many other youth. Okay, but yes, if that person can do it, I can do it. Think about it and join this live event, and also give your name before that, so then I can plan. Thank you for watching, and actually I'm enjoying. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. And also you have to be what you need to do. You need to do one thing is follow this Instagram channel. One of the best things Instagram doing to bring the technology closer to everybody. Thank you once again.